The idea to establish a pharmaceutical company came into existence with the simple thought of a worthy director that good spirit in body, mind and soul is governed by good health. Person with positive vigor can produce healthy thoughts which pave way for a safe and coexisting symbiotic society. As of consequence of this simple but a very strong thought, Elfin came into existence. Spread over an area of 20,910 square meter, located in the excise-free zone of Nalagarh, in the state of Himachal Pradesh, Elfin is engaged in the manufacturing and marketing of pharmaceutical formulations. Elfin is ISO 9001-2008 WHO GMP certified company having strong presence in domestic as well as global market. Elfin encircles all stages of life from a newborn to an aging adult. Elfin specializes in marketing of oral tablets, capsules, powders, liquid syrups, dry syrups, nasal drops. Elfin's culture begins with 5 core values that derives everything we do: respect for people, result focus, leadership, teamwork, customer focus. These values derive everything we do and provide the foundation on which we achieve our vision of enriching lives through innovation in healthcare. At Elfin, we develop safe, effective and affordable medicines for the whole world, while enriching the lives of all the people we touch through our medicines. The company is led by a team of dedicated professionals who are committed to deliver the best and most reliable medicines to our customers. Elfin has state-of-the-art injectable finished pharmaceutical manufacturing facility. At every step of manufacturing, strict quality control tests are employed, leaving no room for compromise. Elfin believes in following relevant standard operating procedures at every stage of manufacturing. This begins with the entry of a working professional into the production area. To avoid any kind of contamination during the manufacturing procedure, sequenced steps of gowning is followed. This acts as one of the primary safeguards to ensure quality while keeping up to our motto. The manufacturing process starts with the receiving of raw materials in our raw material store. The quality of the raw material is ensured by the Quality Assurance Department. Then it is released to the production department to start manufacturing the product. Granulation is a critical process in the manufacturing of tablets. Quality check is done by our experts before the product is transferred to the packaging section. Packaging is done with fully automatic machines. During the manufacturing process, Elfin's operators constantly perform in-process inspections to ensure quality that meets GMP specifications. Elfin's facilities and teams are designed to provide you the greatest flexibility while maintaining quality, which means even as your product requirements change, Elfin services can keep up with your needs. The liquid oral section is fully equipped with the world-class latest and automatic machinery for manufacturing and storage of liquid syrups. The material is tested by the technical staff throughout the production process. Elfin uses state-of-the-art packaging equipment to maintain product stability. During the manufacturing of dry powder injection, washing of vials is done in a Class 1 lakh area with HVAC system. The process of filling of dry injection is done in various steps such as washing of vials, transportation through tunnel, filling, sealing and inspection. Elfin keeps stringent quality checks on the standard operating procedures as per the WHO guidelines for pharmaceutical water system. Elfin is one of the distinguished manufacturers of a wide range of dermatology medicines. We are having in-house quality control laboratories, fully equipped with state-of-the-art instruments to assess quality of highest and stringent international standards. Elfin's mission is to be an integrated pharmaceutical enterprise of global distinction. We are committed to serve mankind with an objective to provide cost-effective, top-quality products. Elfin has marked its presence globally by exporting its products to CIS countries, Latin American countries, and Asia Pacific. Elfin's products are regularly promoted and marketed in international market. We take pride in our customers, and that is why we are known as one of the leading manufacturers in pharmaceutical sector. Elfin is available for exclusive business opportunities, which are contract manufacturing, tender business, research and development center for new products development, institution sales, medical colleges tenders, army tenders and exports. To know more about our company, visit our company website www.elfinpharma.com.